This little thing is the coolest thing we bought on Amazon. So I have 4 kids and one of them is 3. So she always has to pee conveniently every time we leave the house. So I got this potty. Look at it. It opens up these little baggies. And you just open the bag. You put it inside. Make sure it's on all the corners or you're going to have a mess. And then you snap all the pieces down and you got a potty. And the thing's so convenient because when there's 4 kids and only 1 me, I don't want to get out at a gas station or Walmart or wherever and take 4 kids into the store by myself. That's just doing too much. And you just set this little potty down. And then she'll sit on it and pee. And then this bag, it just ties up really easy and it doesn't leak or anything. Make sure you get you a car potty.
The pepper.